My Moen kitchen faucet developed a leak at the spout. It's leaking at these two joints. To remedy that problem, I'm going to replace the O-rings and the washer bearings. If you're the original owner of a Moen faucet, they offer a lifetime warranty, and I contacted Moen. I am the original owner, and they sent me the parts for free. Turn off the hot and cold water. If you don't want to have a surprise indoor geyser, it's a good idea to turn the valves on and make sure that your gate valves aren't leaking. If you have an older valves, sometimes the rubber discs deteriorate and the valve doesn't turn the water off. This is a Moen model 87413, and the spout cap on these comes off by turning it counterclockwise. Initially, I tried to use a soft cloth so I didn't scratch the cap, and a pair of pliers. However, I couldn't get enough purchase on it to twist the cap off. And what I did was I got a kitchen jar grip and I put it on top of the cap and then placed my pliers on that, and I was able to get a good enough grip to turn the cap off. After you remove the top cap, take the top bearing washer off and then remove the spout. It just wiggles off. And remove the bottom bearing washer. There were mineral deposits on the spout and around the bottom of the faucet. I removed those using lemon juice. I have this handy tool to help remove the O-rings. You can see it has a little hook on it. And you can get that device and just hook underneath the O-rings and pull them off. Clean everything up with a paper towel. Put a light coating of grease on the O-rings provided by Moen. It's a silicone grease. I also put a light coating of grease on the bearing washers, and then we want to put everything back together the way it came apart. Bearing washers, the O-rings, spout, the other bearing washer. Reinstall the cap by turning it clockwise. And then give it a turn with your pliers to tighten it up. Turn the hot and cold water back on. If you have gate valves like I do in an older home, when you turn the water back on, sometimes you'll get a leak at the stem of the valve, and if you do, you should be able to give this nut a turn and the leak will stop. Check for leaks. It looks good, and our mission is accomplished. Thanks for watching.